نعرفش حصل ايه بالظبط. العربيات كلها طلعت على قضيب القطر، ناس كتير ماتت، وناس كتير لحد دلوقتي تحت العربيات مش عارفين نطلعها. مش عارفين نقول ايه ولا نتكلم فيه اصلا. الواحد تعب نفسيا اقسم بالله.
يا محمود ياد يا حسين ياد انا اروح الجيش ولا اروح على النار على طول ولا.
So, question on many people's minds is, why is there been so many crashes in Egypt? Now, there was 3 before today, which is Saturday, when another one occurred. Between the 2 cities of Mansoura and Damietta in northern Egypt, the Egyptian rail authority reported. So apparently right now there are currently no reports of any injury, which is a miracle, to say that 98 people were injured, 200 were injured, and about 50 people died altogether in train crashes. So, I would give you an answer to the question, why has there been so many train crashes in Egypt? Only, I don't know. You know, I think people wish they did have the answers, because, I mean, lots and lots and lots and lots of people have died. And it's not great at the moment in Egypt, because, I mean, they've been plagued by lots of rail crashes in recent years. So, it's one of those things, it's just really odd what's going on in Egypt. And no one really knows the answer. So, you know, it's one of the cases of it's happened, but we don't know why it's happened. So, yeah, it's a little update there for you. I was putting off doing it because, I mean, I don't really want to be reporting it. But unfortunately, it just seems